No, sit down. Let me tell you how the world's got to the most bountiful corn harvest, so much so it ended world hunger. Well, our story begins with a fat, gunted man who once jammed his thumb in another woman's butt and released it as revenge porn. Now this fat man went by the name of Ethan Ralph, and he ran a show called Killstream. Oh, those were the days. Even though he was quite the terrible fellow, his sacrifice did bring about the end to world hunger. And would you look at all this corn? Miles upon miles of corn. So whatever Ethan Ralph may have been, whatever he was, alcoholic, pill popper, philanderer, deceiver, doxer, backstabber, he did provide an end to the world's problem and brought about the endless, bountiful corn harvest we now all enjoy. And now I can go on, and now you know the story.